Hello, everybody. Thanks for tuning in. So I just experienced I don't know, I guess you'd call it a blooper. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on my members page, so you members can check it out there. But it's pretty funny. Anyhow, so we're just doing a PS5 HDMI port replacement. I've already got the port replaced. Had that blooper not happen, then we'd be able to have that included in the footage. But I've already I've already prepped the board and prepped the port. Let's first get this old SATA off, and then let's get some new SATA and the new port on. Get these folks back to gaming again. Alright, let's get this fresh SATA on. Fun times. Alright, luckily it appears that I was wrong. No torn pads. So let's get this port prep, let's get it on. So we got the port in, we just got to secure it, these 4 posts, and we can bolt it up and test it because I've already took care of the liquid metal. Also gave her a good deep cleaning. Alright, that's the final outcome on the posts. And the final outcome on the pins. And we can't forget the liquid metal. Alright, we are back in action. But it looks like we're in safe mode here, so we might have to do a little more. But thanks for tuning in. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment. Membership's now available. Bonus material being added weekly. New videos dropped every Sunday. Be sure to hit that bell notification so you don't miss any new videos.